Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. I will explain why and how you can use customized themes for your materials. Let's start. UserGuiding offers a wide range of customization options. UserGuiding makes it easy to create beautiful onboarding tours that will capture your company's branding perfectly. You can easily customize your experiences by adjusting settings such as primary and secondary colors, font, text style, widget dimensions, width and height, and roundness. This will allow you to create a perfect experience tailored to your needs. You can use the theme section for guides and hotspots, and you can customize other content through their respective settings pages, such as checklists, resource centers, and surveys. We have made it easy for you to customize themes to suit your needs without writing code. All the options are configurable so that you can create a unique look in no time. If you're looking to dive into more detail, our CSS editor within the theme is a great way to apply your own custom styles. I want to move with why you should customize your theme. Customizing a theme can bring many benefits to your website. Here are some of the great advantages of making your theme unique. We might say one benefit would be brand consistency for professional look. Theme customization ensures alignment between your platform and user guiding materials. It makes user guiding look professional and in line with your brand image. It shows that you value your brand and provide users with a personalized experience. And the user experience will be another benefit. Theme customization helps users feel more comfortable and familiar with the user guiding interface. By incorporating your visual elements, users perceive user guiding as an extension of your brand. This makes the onboarding process smoother and facilitates users in discovering and using new features. Also, it helps you stand out from your competitors. By reflecting your brand identity in user guiding, you can create a unique experience. This allows you to leave a lasting impression on users' minds, building their trust. So, customizing themes will give you a competitive advantage in adapting users and introducing new features. Please remember you can always refer to our Help Center to quickly achieve the appearance you desire. I hope this was helpful.